Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Thanks for visiting my craft room. Today I am sharing a entry that I am submitting to Elizabeth over at the Crafty Cricket. She is hosting a birthday challenge giveaway, and this is my entry. One of her requirements is a 3D item for one of her new shelves, a MemDex card. I think she had some other options, but I will be sure to link her channel down below. So let's get into what I'm sending her. The first thing that I'm sending is some of these paper flowers, some acorn washi tape, and some sunflower stickers. I'm sharing a cute pen, a bag of star sequin. This is a sticker sheet that I hauled in a recent video. I had to cut it apart to make it fit inside the packaging, but they are really pretty pastel colors, and hopefully she will be able to use this in her projects. This is the birthday card that I'm sending her way, and I've written her a message on the inside. This is her MemDex card. I made a bag topper using a Spellbinders die. And here's the card. I used the Cricut to make the deer, and I just chose to make pastel colors and some miscellaneous dies that I've had in my stash. Little flower cluster, a ladybug, and a dewdrop, and then I just have some of my information on the back. And in this baggie, I have an assortment of handmade bows, and I made them double bows, and hopefully she will be able to use these on some of her craft projects. In this baggie is my 3D item, and I chose to make this little deer with the pink theme, and I will insert a picture of the die right here. It came out so cute. I love using the pink. And what I've done on the inside is I've stuffed it with some crinkle paper, as well as my pastel Christmas dewdrops. And they fit in there just perfectly. And the last thing that I'm including is a thank you note. It's very late. She had entered my Anything Goes challenge, and so I'm just sending her a thank you note for that. I've included some stickers, a little note, my new holiday dewdrop release, as well as some Christmas word die cuts. So I am going to stick that in her package as well. Elizabeth, I hope that you enjoy my entry. Thank you so much for hosting such a fun and easy challenge. I can't wait to see everyone else's projects. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day. Bye.